Car Jack is necessary for lifting vehicles safely during tire changes and repairs. My today's video is about top 5 best car jack that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Vevor Car Jack. This Vevor motorcycle scissor lift jack is a strong and reliable tool for maintenance, cleaning, and repair work. With a load capacity of up to 1,100 pounds, 0.5 tons, it can securely support street bikes, cruisers, and adventure motorcycles, making it a practical choice for garage use. Operation is simple and tool-free, using a detachable metal handle to smoothly raise the motorcycle. The adjustable height range from 3.7 inch to 13.8 allows flexible positioning for different repair tasks. The steel X-frame design combined with a 6-position safety pin ensures stable lifting and reduces the risk of slipping or accidents. A wide 14.4 inch by 9 inch platform provides strong support and better balance during use. The rubber anti-slip pad helps protect the bike from scratches while improving grip. For convenience, the jack folds down to a compact size for easy storage. Its powder-coated finish resists rust, oil, and grease, ensuring long-term durability. Overall, it is a safe, sturdy, and user-friendly motorcycle lifting solution. Now our second product is Vivohome Car Jack. This heavy-duty motorcycle lift jack is a reliable and practical tool for maintenance and repair work. Built from solid steel, it supports up to 1,100 pounds, making it suitable for motorcycles, ATVs, scooters, and even snowmobiles. The lifting range from 3.5 inch to 14.5 provides flexible height adjustment for tasks like engine work, wheel changes, or chain maintenance. The reinforced crank handle makes lifting and lowering smooth and controlled, while the adjustable screw adapters help maintain balance on uneven surfaces. This adds stability and improves safety during use. Its wide 14.6 inch by 9 inch platform is covered with a textured rubber pad that prevents slipping and protects the bike from scratches. The design keeps the motorcycle steady and secure throughout the lifting process. Built with a powder-coated steel frame, it resists rust, oil, and grease for long-term durability. Compact and easy to store, this jack is a versatile and essential tool for any garage or workshop. Our third product is AV Steel Car Jack. This 2.5-ton hydraulic floor jack is a powerful and practical lifting tool designed for both home and professional use. With a strong capacity of up to 5,500 pounds and a lifting range from 3.4 inch to 14.6, it works well for a wide variety of vehicles including sedans, SUVs, and pickup trucks. Safety is well considered, featuring a built-in overload protection valve to prevent damage or accidents during use. The large 360-degree saddle adds stability and helps protect the vehicle while lifting. Operation is smooth and efficient thanks to the single-piston hydraulic system, allowing quick and easy height adjustment. The dual rotating wheels make positioning the jack simple and convenient, even in tight spaces. Its low-profile design improves accessibility for lower vehicles, making it highly versatile for different lifting tasks. Overall, this is a durable, user-friendly, and safe floor jack that delivers strong performance for mechanics, DIY users, and everyday vehicle maintenance. Now number 4, AV Steel Car Jack. This AV Steel 3-ton floor jack is a strong and reliable tool designed for both home garages and heavy-duty workshop use. With a lifting capacity of up to 6,600 pounds and a height range from 5.5 inch to 18.5, it is suitable for most cars, trucks, and SUVs, offering excellent versatility for different maintenance tasks. Safety is a key feature, with a built-in overload protection system that helps prevent damage or accidents when lifting heavy loads. The 360 degrees rotatable saddle adds stability and helps protect the vehicle during operation. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, the jack feels solid and durable, meeting ANSI/ASME safety standards for added confidence. The dual rear rotating wheels make it easy to maneuver and position under vehicles smoothly. Its universal design makes it ideal for tire changes, repairs, and general maintenance tasks. Overall, this is a dependable, high-capacity floor jack that combines strength, safety, and ease of use for everyday and professional applications. And our last choice is DNA Motoring Car Jack. This 2-ton hydraulic trolley jack is a practical and efficient lifting tool for everyday garage use. With a lifting capacity of 4,000 pounds and a height range from 5.1 inch to 13, it is well suited for most standard cars, making tire changes and basic maintenance tasks easier and faster. Safety is well addressed with a built-in overload protection valve that helps prevent damage or injury during operation. The wide saddle also adds stability and helps protect the vehicle while lifting. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, the jack feels solid and reliable, offering good durability for regular use. The swivel casters allow smooth movement and easy positioning under the vehicle, improving overall convenience. It is important to note that this jack is designed only for lifting and should not be used to hold loads for extended periods. Jack stands are required for support. Overall, this is a lightweight, easy to use, and dependable floor jack suitable for standard passenger vehicles and routine maintenance tasks. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.